Welcome back, students. In this video, we will be discussing place value of 7-digit numbers. And let's discuss the last video that we have done is of 100,000. We discussed that if we have a group of 10 10,000s, ठीक है, हमारे पास अगर 10 का ग्रुप हो तो तो it becomes what? It becomes 100,000, right? And if we have a group of 10 100,000, ठीक है, हमारे पास क्या कितना हो 10 100,000 का ग्रुप हो तो हमारे पास it becomes a million, ठीक है, तो ये कितना बन जाता है million बन जाता है. This is the place value that we are going to discuss today, and we're going to use an example to put them in the place value chart and then write it in the form of expanded and in words as well. So let's take an example, and the example that we are going to have today is this number 3451982. Okay, so I have 7-digit number over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can count it as well. और हम इसको place value chart में put करेंगे, ठीक है, one by one. So let's see where the 2 goes. 2 obviously will go to the ones. Then 8 will be at tens, or we can say it's 80. And then 9 will be at hundreds, so we can say it's 900. Then we have 1,000, that is 1. Then we have 5, that is 10,000, that is 50,000 भी आप इसको कह सकते हो. And we have 100,000 number at 4, ठीक है, तो हम इधर 4 लिखेंगे under 100,000 प्लेस वैल्यू, और उसके बाद लास्ट में हमारी आती है मिलियन, और मिलियंस जो है वो हमारे पास कितने हैं, it's 3 over here. Alright, let's just write this in the form of expanded form, ठीक है, तो ones में जो 2 है that's going to be the same, and we have tens over here, it's going to be 80. Then we have 9 over here, it's going to be 900. This is how I'll write these numbers individually if we're discussing the place value, ठीक है, तो 50,000 लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पर. And then we have 100,000, so we'll write it at 400,000. All right, and then we have million over here, so this is how we write the million. 3,0,0,0,100, and then so this is how you write the million form, ठीक है, इधर लिख देती हूँ दोबारा से 300 so this is the million, 3 millions, ठीक है. Now let's write it in the form of in this expanded form, तो हम इसको लिखेंगे 3 million. Then we have 4 sorry इधर एक और 0 आएगा, 400,000. Then we have 50,000. Let's be quick. Then we have 1,000. Then we have 900, and then we have 80, and then we have 2. Okay, so this is how you write it in the expanded form. Okay, अब इसी number को हमने in words लिखना है, ठीक है. This number over here is in the form of figures. ये किसमें है? It's form of figures, या ये number form में है, तो हमने इसी number को दोबारा किस form में लिखना है जी? You're gonna write it in the form of words, ठीक है. तो words की form में क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? We write it as, अच्छा रिमेम्बर हमने कहा था कि फर्स्ट 3 प्लेस वैल्यू नंबर्स इकट्ठा रीड करते हैं, उससे अगले 3 विल रीड इट टुगेदर, बट दिस मिलियन विल रीड इट सेपरेटली, ठीक है. तो इसको हम किस तरह लिखेंगे? विल राइट इट एज 3 million 400, 400. Let's just erase it and then write it again. Okay, so it's 400 and 51,000. फिर हम comma put करेंगे and then we write the next thing, and that is 982. 982. Okay, so this is how you will write the numbers in words form. ठीक है, so this is the example that we have discussed. Remember हमारे million में that there is almost 6 zeros in the million. ठीक है, million में कितने zeros होते हैं? 6 zeros होते हैं, and the seventh number is the number itself. So this is how we can do the 7-digit numbers, and we can put them in the place value chart. Now we are going to practice some of the other questions, जिसमें हम क्या करेंगे कि 7-digit numbers को हम दोबारा से प्रैक्टिस करके इसको expanded form में करेंगे. पहले हम इसको place value chart में करेंगे. So let's start and do it very quickly. Once हमारी यहाँ पे आता है 3 में, 0 is at 10th place, so that means कि इधर हमारी कोई value नहीं आएगी, और we can write 0 over here. ठीक है, because 0 की कोई value नहीं होती. Then we have 100. तो 100 में क्या आ जाएगा जी? हमारे पास 2. Then we have 1000 and it's 1. Then we have 7, that is 70,000. Then we have 100,000 and that is 8. And then we have million, that is 9. यहाँ एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में आपको ऑलरेडी कुछ नंबर्स उन्होंने करके दिए हुए हैं, जैसे 9 मिलियन हुआ हुआ है. देन वी हैव टू डू द 800,000. तो 800,000 हम कैसे करेंगे? Like this. ठीक है, remember 800,000. Next we have 70,000, तो हम इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे 70,000. Then we have 1,000, we'll write it as this. Then we have 200, then you can see कि tens में 0 ही put किया हुआ है, and then we have 3 number over here. अब हमने क्या करना है कि इस number को हमने words में लिखना है. तो how do we do that? We'll write it as 9 million. Sorry, I have written in the form of figure. हम इसको erase करके words में लिखेंगे. ठीक है, so 9 million, comma, then we'll write 35,000, 3,500, sorry, 354,000. ठीक है, and then we'll write over here, and then we'll write the next part, और वो क्या होगा कि 432, 432. So this is how you will write this number in the form of words. Let's move on to the next question, that is write 5,382,433 in figures. So how will write that? सबसे पहले 5 million की place हम यहाँ लिख देंगे. सबसे पहले 5 आएगा, then there is 300, तो हम यहाँ पे 3 number लिख देंगे. Then is 82,000, that means we're gonna write over here 82. Then we have 400, that is 4 and 33 यहाँ पे आएगा. So this is how we'll write the number in the form of figures. ठीक है, जो हमने words में number को read किया था उसको हम इस तरह figures में लिखेंगे. We'll identify the numbers from here and put them exactly at the same place. See you guys in the next video with more of the digit numbers.